Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a berry farm and a normal farm. So first, we have to find a plain surface, like any grass or dirt. Then, it'll turn into dirt, but it doesn't matter. And then we are going to take some dirt or grass. And then you're gonna fill in the farm size that you want. Let's just cover that. And then we are going to take any trapdoor. Make sure it can open and close. I'm gonna take the spruce because it's more like farmer-y. And then we're gonna take the spruce trapdoor and put it all around. You don't need to put in the corners like that. And then, once you're done with that, wait a second. Once I'm done with that, hold this. Then you're going to close all of the trapdoors. I'm going to show you the whole process thingy so you know how to do it. If you don't. Next, we are going to put some sweet berries. Actually, oh no, I need to fix that. Actually, I didn't really have to, but because you can rather put it on grass or dirt. And then you're gonna take your sweet berries and then place it on the dirt and it'll grow. Like that. Even though there's no water. It's just the rain. You don't need to hold it. Now we will show you how to make a normal farm like that one. So first, we have to take some dirt. Let's just make it like a beginner size. Next, we are going to take the spruce trapdoor. No, not that. And then we're going to take some seeds. So it can be any seed, but I like the melon seed, so let's just put it there. I did a mistake. Oh, and then before that, you have to take any hoe and then you have to press it on, like tap on the dirt with the hoe. And then it will turn like that. Then we need to filter the water. I think I need to change this. Wait, hold up. Change this. So it can only be one row because it sinks in, so. Let's take our diamond hoe, put that there. And then now we're gonna take the trap. Trap. And then we're gonna take my spruce trapdoor. And then you have to cover the whole thing, but not the corners. Even the hole too. You have to make a hole too, so for the water. And now let's close it like before. One second. Okay. Now we are going to take some seeds again, and then we are going to plant it. Oh, I need to hold it. And then we're gonna take some seeds. Oh, that's beetroot. No! They don't want that. I want melon. You can do beetroot if you like. It can be any seed. I'm just doing melon for you guys. And then we're gonna just plant it like that. And then we're gonna take some water, a bucket of water. And then we just place it in the middle. Just fill up the corners, only tap it once. And there you have it, a farm and a berry farm. So it's raining right now. I only sleep on a roof and I bounce on the bed. And I just click the bed and then I eventually sleep. And then it might grow a little bit more, but not all the way. And then once it's ripe, you can pick it. But I'm not going to show you guys because you probably know how to do that. And there you go. So, bye guys. Bye.